Talofa lava and welcome to Measina, Treasures of Samoa, where we amplify Samoan culture. My name is Moana Pitaya. Today, our Samoan phrases are talking about understanding and how to say I don't understand, I understand, just sharing your understanding. Enjoy! Sometimes when somebody asks you a question and they're not sure if you understand, they'll ask, do you understand? And so you would answer in Samoan, ua o malamalama, ua o malamalama. I understand. So in this sentence or this phrase, ua o, saying I, malamalama, understand. Ua o malamalama. Of course, there are going to be times when you don't understand what somebody is saying, and so you're going to want to say, I don't understand. And so you would say, o te le malamalama, o te le malamalama. I, and the le in it represents the no. So no, malamalama, understand. So I know, understand. I don't understand. O te le malamalama. Sometimes you can understand someone really well, but sometimes people just talk really fast. Like I talk really fast sometimes, and so you just want them to slow down. So our next Samoan phrase about understanding is asking someone to slow down while they're talking. Whaamole mole ia whaatelengese lau tautala. Whaamole mole ia whaatelengese lau tautala. Whaamole mole ia whaatelengese lau tautala. Can you please speak slower? One of the other sentences or phrases that a lot of people want to know is, can you repeat that? So you heard it, didn't quite get it, can you please repeat that? In that case, you would say, whaamole mole toi whai mai lau tala. Whaamole mole toi whai mai lau tala. So whaamole mole means please, toi whai mai, can you repeat? Lau tala, what you just said. Whaamole mole toi whai mai lau tala. Can you please repeat that? So, thank you for joining us here at Measina, Treasures of Samoa. To make sure that you were paying attention, what does toi whai mai, toi whai mai, what does that mean? Tell me in the comments to make sure that you are paying attention and you're actually learning from these videos. Toi whai mai, English translation in the comments. We love sharing these videos with you, and we know that you do too. So please make sure to support our channel by giving us a thumbs up, subscribing to the channel, and even sharing. Sharing is easy to do. And it makes a difference in algorithms and how we are seen throughout YouTube. So whaftaitele lava, thank you very much, and we will see you again. Toi whenua i.